everybody, this is Pam at the Paper Outpost, and guess what today is? Guess what today is? Today is the announcement of the winner of the 100,000 subscriber giveaway contest from the Paper Outpost. Yay! And anybody anywhere around the world can have an opportunity to win this contest, and all you have to do is today is the selection day, so I'm going to be pulling a random comment from my comment selector. It's an automatic thing, and it just pulls a comment, and basically the requirements were like, subscribe, comment, answering this topic, share with me what you would like to see me make or try to make, and share a fun fact about yourself. So let's see if we can find somebody who answered the questions. We shall see. Okay, so first of all, you are going to get this historical junk journal that I made. I made it a long time ago, and it's very fat. I think there are 5 signatures in here. She's a fat boy, and she's full of all sorts of goodies. She's made with the cover of Poems of J.W. Whitehouse. She has a beautiful sorry cover, and that is something that I made a long time ago. It was very hard for me to give away, but I wanted to give away something meaningful to you guys, because if it wasn't for you guys, I would not be here, and I am very appreciative of that. Do not take that lightly. Thank you very much to all of you for your sharing of your time and your love and joy of paper, and growing this community together, and teaching other people how to make books or have fun with paper or just goof off and that kind of thing. So you also are going to get a stuffed, decorated, embellished envelope full of fun items, and also a FUNDLE. Yay, a FUNDLE! A FUNDLE is a collection of old papers such as ledger, vintage book pages, hand-dyed papers, piano paper, checks, receipts, oddities, just 100 pieces of very fun and interesting things to make junk journals with. So you will get all that in one box. Now I am, okay. So now I guess YouTube, they sent, this is your award. I'm letting you know this is what you received. Yes, the Paper Outpost for passing 100,000 subscribers. So thank you very much. This is truly your award, way more than it is mine. I'm just some woman crafting. And I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. So hold on one second so I can get it in front of the comment picker. Hold on. Okay, I think we are all set up here. Pam, just hit the button, hit the button, hit the button. Okay, let's see. Here we go. All right, do you see your name? Do you see your name? Do you see your comment? Do you see your name? Is it flying by? Linda Pape! Linda Pap! Linda Pape! Here we go. Let's see what Linda said. Linda said, thank you for sharing and entertaining. I found you while doing my armchair crafts while going through chemo this year. You and Sunny helped greatly, distracting me from the side effects and inspiring me with bookmaking. I would like to explore using my small gel plate and printing combined with lettering. Congratulations, and keep going and stay safe. And congratulations to Linda Pape. You are the winner of the 100,000 subscriber giveaway contest from the Paper Outpost. Linda, if you see this, please send me an email at pam@thepaperoutpost.com. Pam@thepaperoutpost.com. This is so official, isn't it? Pam@thepaperoutpost.com. And send me, let me know where to send this. I do have a way to find out if people are who they say they are, so don't worry. I will make sure it truly is and does go to Linda Pape. And congratulations, and thank you so very much, and congratulations for everybody's the Silver YouTube Award. That really goes to all of you. And there you go, folks. So I hope you had some fun here, and we'll be having a lot more interesting ideas coming your way, and we'll see if we can. You have a small gel plate. Okay, maybe I'm going to have to get a gel plate, Linda Pape. Maybe my time has come. We shall see. Okay, I'll do my best. All right, take care, everybody. Congratulations. Happy crafting. And you have anything to say? Well, yeah, I would. Hey, when don't I have something to say? I always have something to say, and I'm right. Oh yeah, no, you better let them know, Mom. Okay, Mom, I'm on the table. Have you left? No, I haven't. You're stepping on the prize. Can you please? Okay, sorry, everybody. Okay, here I come. Here's the right way to do it. Hello, and congratulations to Linda Pape. We are so excited. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. I'm stretching. I'm stretching in excitement. Yes. And I'm doing my best twisty roo. But I just want you to know that I'm so happy. And yep, they got me again. Off to the clipper place I went. That place they call the spa. Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I know. I was a cute little puffball, but no, not right now. No. I am a bald little bunny bear. Yes, I am a bald little bunny bear, but that's okay. Everything's all right. Yeah, I'll grow. I'll grow. That's what Mom says. The hair will grow. Don't worry, hair grows back. Okay, Sunny, thank you. And big congratulations, Linda. Way to go. And your package is on its way as soon as we hear from you. Okay, love y'all very much. Take care. I gotta go sleep now. Bye.
Okay, Sunny. All right, everybody, take care. Have a blast. Congratulations. And we carry on from here. Take care, everyone. Bye.